Hello, I'm Michael Wendling, project lead of the Swiss Smart Factory Lighthouse Project Industrie 4.0. Today I'm here with Müller, Industry Executive Manufacturing of Microsoft. With the Lighthouse project, we are heading in the direction of transparent factory. Our visitors here can experience the complete product lifecycle within the production ecosystem, from product design to packaging. The big challenge here is to demonstrate the networking within the production. With Microsoft, we found a partner who is leading in that part, with the intelligent cloud and the intelligent edge solution called Azure. Roger, what makes Microsoft Azure the best fit for the manufacturing industry?
Thanks for this question, Michael. Microsoft Azure has been leading the way to develop a powerful solution for manufacturers and has been named as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant in 2020 for industrial IoT platforms. Our deep commitment to open platforms and protocols like OPC UA or NOA architecture accelerates the path to innovation at scale and reduces complexity, cost and implementation time. By extracting, integrating, storing and analyzing the massive volumes of data used to generate operational insights at an exceptional large scale.
Okay, then let's make it tangible for our audience. One of our first demonstrators is the 3D printer farm. We are printing here parts for the drone. Depending on the customer wishes, each of them has an OPC UA server composed of information about the printing process, machine status and overall condition. Here, our goal is to showcase vertical integration from the operation technologies, OT, and the information technologies, IT. In Azure, we can then manage the data, send them to the different Microsoft Cloud-based tool, like a data lake, database, or a machine learning algorithm, to recognize discrepancies in the production of the parts or send them to third-party tools. Roger, from your experience as an industry executive, what are the most common challenges you see from your customers? And what are the roles of data?
It all starts with the connectivity of machines and systems, accessing the data from the different systems and collect, sort, arrange and present visually to understand what is happening in the shop floor. With advanced analytics, we can then get an understanding of the root causes and impact of certain events, and with that we can predict what will happen. Most customers I'm working with are focusing on these two stages of their smart factory programs.
The next step for us is to display the production data in different profile-focused dashboards, using Power BI from Microsoft.